course, we have a lady that is burning down. I don't want to burn the building. Oh, glasses, beauty. Come on, Rihanna. Okay, it's gonna melt at some point. We are going to be able to make a badass pair of glasses, like Rihanna. Okay, so it smokes. Okay, don't breathe the smoke. And now, what you do is that you join and you wait. It's still hot.
It's perfect.
Thank you. That's a good hack. That's a good thing. Thank you. We have Huda Beauty, who's using a little bayonet. Kinky but funny. And she's using it to make sure she doesn't go overboard with the contouring. And with the blush, you have to put this in your mouth.
This.
Yeah. That's okay. Yes. Tac. You can go off board. Tac. Bam. Pa 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 pa. Oh, cheekbones. There you go. Didn't make me save time. So next one. Flat iron popcorn. I thought this was a beauty show. Is it gonna pop? Oh, it popped. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm making popcorn, bitch. It's gonna pop. Oh! Oh, it's gonna pop. I don't like this hack, okay? Just order popcorn. We have a young man. Oh, no. Where did he found this much foundation? Okay, I like the intention, the power, the intensity. That's how you do makeup in a way, so... We'll see. Let's go, let's jump right in. Full on makeup. Wait, close bien your eyes. Close your eyes. The lipstick. Tuck. There you go. Eyeshadow. Looking beautiful, like a stolen truck. What is the last step? My boo-boo. The last step is the highlighter. Over here. And on the tip of the nose. Voila. And this is makeup. This is a great hack. So that's a good hack to try. If it works, it's nice because it means it's gonna last for a couple of days. Looks like you ate a little chocolate milkshake. Come on. I think it's gonna look good. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh yeah. That's brown. Ole. There you go. Boom. She's got me spending. I think it's a good hack. And I give this a round of applause. A bucket of ice, some fresh water, a face, and some back and forth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She doesn't know how to count.
I feel brand new.
Do you think it's a good hack?
Yeah, I think it's a good hack.
Oh, she's splitting her face in 2 halves. To have some little squares. Okay, I see what's coming. Oh, okay, cute. This is gonna look good. Yeah. Bam. It's hard to make it straight when you're that gay. Boom. That's a f***ing barbecue. A little carré. Beautiful. Bam. It is now time to blend. It's pinky. No, it's okay. It's okay. You shouldn't be worried. Tac. Honestly, it's not that bad. It worked, but it doesn't make you save time, and so I don't recommend it.
It's a no.
Beauty blender, freezing, foundation. That's about it, and she looks good in the end. How does it feel?
Cool. But it's a cool sensation.
Yeah? So that's what I thought. This is not the greatest hack.
No.
Hey! This was La Grande Dame. I hope you had a great time. I surely did. I hope to see you back very soon. I'm available next week. You tell me. Je vous fais des bisous. I give you big kisses, as we say in French. Bye bye.